Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are talking about something that every new parent will find super helpful in daily life. If you are looking for the best baby bottle washer that saves time, keeps things hygienic, and makes baby care easier, you are in the right place. This one is designed to handle a big part of your routine in a smart way. Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro. This is not just a simple washer, it is a complete all-in-one solution for cleaning baby essentials. The Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro is designed to wash, sterilize, dry, and store everything in one machine, making daily baby care much more simple and stress-free. One of the most impressive things about it is the 4-in-1 functionality. Instead of doing each step separately, this machine handles everything in one cycle. It saves a lot of time and effort, especially when you have a busy schedule and need quick and reliable cleaning. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. The Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro comes with 26 powerful spray jets. These jets are placed in a smart way to clean every corner of the bottles and accessories. 12 jets focus inside the bottles, while 14 jets clean the outside from all angles. This ensures a deep and complete clean every time. It also uses a strong 24,000 Pascal high-pressure water system. This helps remove tough milk stains and residue that are often hard to clean by hand. Even better, it uses up to 86% less water than traditional washing, which makes it both efficient and eco-friendly. Another great feature is the multiple cleaning programs. The Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro offers quick wash, standard wash, sterilize, and dry and storage modes. Each mode is designed for different needs, so you can choose what fits your situation best. If you are in a hurry, the Quick Wash mode is a lifesaver. It can clean bottles and pacifiers in just 19 minutes. This means you always have clean essentials ready without waiting too long. Hygiene is a top priority here. The machine uses 212 Fahrenheit steam sterilization to remove 99.99% of harmful germs. After that, it uses gentle hot air drying to make sure everything is fully dry and ready to use without any moisture left. The Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro also includes a HEPA filter. This filter cleans the air inside the machine and helps maintain a sterile environment. It keeps items safe and fresh for up to 72 hours of storage, which adds extra peace of mind. Capacity is another strong point. The double-layered design allows you to wash up to 4 bottles at the same time, along with other accessories like pacifiers and pump parts. This makes it very efficient for daily use. It is also highly compatible with different baby products. The Groundsy Ease Clean Baby Bottle Washer Pro works with many bottle brands and even wearable pump parts, so you do not have to worry about compatibility issues. The overall design is modern and practical. It fits nicely in your kitchen and is built to make your routine smoother. Every feature is focused on saving time while keeping everything clean and safe for your baby. This is truly a smart helper for parents. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful products like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.